Anna Kruger here, and today we're going to talk about 2 ways to energize your goals. All right, so if you work in lead generation, lead conversion, as most of us do, we all know that we need contacts in order to achieve our goal. Yeah, I don't know about you. Thinking about my number of daily contacts can sometimes be a little draining to the energy, right? And so today we want to talk through 2 ways to help you energize your goal, specifically as it relates to contacts. So the first thing is to know why you are working. And it's not because we just picked an arbitrary number we want to make for the year. Some people set goals that way. What we actually want to do is think through, how much money do I want to make this year and why? My first year in real estate, I thought it would be great to make 60,000 this year. And the truth is, that's simply because that's how much money I had made in my last job. So I thought it'd be cool to make that my first year in a commission job. Yet there was really no reason that that number actually mattered to me. What my leader had me do instead was start thinking through, how much money do I want to put aside for an emergency fund? How much debt do I want to pay off? What kind of trip do I want to go on? And basically walked me through figuring out how much money I needed to live on, how much money I needed for taxes, and then what are all the extra things I wanted to do beyond just paying bills and surviving. Once I added basically my survive amount of money I needed, plus my thriving amount of money I needed, it gave me an income goal that actually meant something. The second thing that helps is to figure out, how much money do you make per contact. I used to think of it like, oh, good, person number 20 of the day turned into an appointment and then eventually they closed. So that person, number 20 contact for the day, that person was worth, $685 in a commission check as an inside sales agent. Obviously, they're people and they matter more than numbers. But when I was thinking of my commission, that's how I used to think of it, was this one person was worth this amount of money. Yet when I started thinking, it takes about 75 contacts to earn a closing. What if every contact was worth something, instead of 74 being worth nothing and 75 being worth everything? So if you take $685, and this is just an example, but if we take $685 in the calculator and say, it takes me 75 contacts to earn that, divide it by 75, that actually means that each contact is worth $9.13. So think of it this way. Every single time someone picks up the phone and maybe one person cusses you out, maybe the next person says, I'm not interested, take me off your list. Maybe the third person actually leads to a conversation and they agree to talk to a lender. Every single one of those was worth $9.13. The 5-second call or the 3-minute call, all of them were worth $9.13, because every contact that gets me to 75 to earn a closing has a dollar amount value. That really helped me protect my time and get energy around my contact goal. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me today.